How to make math easy at home. Learning doesn't just happen in the classroom, but can occur anywhere, especially at home. There are many activities such as planning a meal, counting, building, and sorting that can help your preschooler develop a love of math from the very beginning. Some things to think about for parents. Mathematics learning starts in infancy and happens everywhere, all of the time. Families are crucial in providing math learning. Make math positive by counting toys, reading books, or having conversations about math. Families and educators must share in the responsibility of supporting early math skills in a positive and fun way. Here are some everyday routines to keep your preschooler excited about learning math. Activities. Count out loud, saying the numbers 1 through 10. Sing counting songs and read counting books. And count the number of steps to reach a certain distance. Set the table for mealtime and ask, how many people are eating dinner? How many plates, napkins, forks, spoons, and knives will we need? And how many chairs will we need? Look for numbers throughout your home. Take your child on a number hunt around your home or neighborhood. Point out numbers on the clock, books, newspapers. And look for signs with numbers. Use three-dimensional builders and ask children to explain their thinking about their building. In the kitchen, wash your hands and count to 20 seconds. Look at a recipe to make sure that you have all of the ingredients. Read the recipe to your child and then ask them what is needed first. Doing laundry, sorting the clothes. Say things like, I found a green sock. Where is the other green sock? I found the yellow pajama shirt. Where are the pajama bottoms? When doing jigsaw puzzles, observe the picture before dumping the pieces out of the frame. This helps a child make sense of the process. Talk about the shapes of the puzzle pieces and help children identify the straight edges and matching colors to learn how to put the puzzle together. By incorporating these simple activities, you can make your home a place for learning every day.